Hello, dear friend. Welcome back to my channel.